Cardi's bumping, Molly's stomping, Sugar's on my mind. We's in the air with my cares. Do this all the time. We hit the club and it's cops from the jealous. We in the bag and we mug in the tear. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got a deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch look like a good. She gets down just like you do.
Hello, welcome back. My camera's up a little high and I feel like this is like all on my face, but welcome back to another day in the vlog, you guys. I just got home from getting off of work. Not just got home, but I came home, took a shower, things like that. Anaya is eating her dinner before bed and I'm gonna get some laundry done. I was like, why not vlog? Because I want this vlog to be like a more realistic vlog, a realistic week in my life of being just a single mother working a 9 to 5, things like that, you know. So yeah, that's what this vlog is going to be like. So I'm going to get some laundry done and I thought, why not bring you guys along with, get you guys some motivation to get up and do that laundry, girl, because I know how hard it is to get that laundry done, okay? So yeah, that is our plans for right now. I'm going to get some laundry done, get Anaya in bed after she's done eating dinner, and that's pretty much our night. So let's go ahead and get this laundry done. Hello for this Monday. What happened? So there's still like 3 more videos. Good morning. We are currently getting up and ready and dressed for the day. Anaya has school. I have work at 11 and it is 7:35, I think. So I'm gonna go drop her off and then I'm gonna try to just go get some editing done somewhere, maybe at like a cute little coffee shop, get some coffee, chill, things like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and drop Anaya off and go get some editing done. Ready? Can you turn the light off? Thank you. Ooh, you okay? Alright, so I dropped off Anaya at school. I'm currently outside of my little coffee shop. It's actually like an apartment complex, but it has like a little coffee shop in the bottom of it, which is super cute. It's one of my favorites, honestly. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna go in here, get some editing done, and yeah, let's go. summer and it gets warm. We just got back home from work. As you can tell, my hair looks a hot mess. Look at my nails. This is rough too. Like, I was trying to figure out what color I wanted to paint my nails and I just didn't even do the rest. So we're gonna go inside and get some dinner and clean up and listen to music, right?
No, I want to watch TV.
Anywho, yes, we're gonna go inside, get some dinner, get our nightly routine started. I do not have to work tomorrow, but she's left school. So I'll definitely be checking in with you guys tomorrow. We'll be doing some stuff. I do have to tour an apartment tomorrow and things like that. So, yeah. I am currently finishing up some laundry that I did not finish last night. I think I have like 3 or 4 loads left and then I'm finally done with the laundry. I had to pick up some more hangers because I ran out of all my hangers. So these are the hangers that I use. They're the non-slip ultra slim hangers. But yeah, they just look like that and I love them. They're so cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and work out so I can get that done for tonight and just kind of tidy up the house and get everything done today, or majority of everything done today that I need to, so that way tomorrow when I have my day off I can kind of just focus on editing, going to view the apartment, and then just chilling. So yeah, anyways, that's the plans for tonight. I just wanted to update you guys because I know this is like a realistic week in my life type of vlog. Anaya's eating dinner. And then it's going to be time for bath and bed. Usual routine every night. She goes to bed by 7. That gives me time to be able to do what I got to do, you know. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys because that's what we're doing now. I'm sure I'll talk to you guys later or tomorrow. Good morning. It is the next day. We are currently about to go ahead and drop off Anaya to school. She is doing dishes. Not really dishes, but her favorite thing lately is helping clean Hunter's bowls and get food in there. So she's about to get some food and stuff in Hunter's bowl.
No, I'm washing this first.
Did you use? Oh, okay. Look at this. The life of having curly hair. This is like a week's worth of buns. Like, I just leave it in a bun all week, and this is what happened. So we're gonna definitely need to deep condition, wash, things like that. Let's just break it down. Agenda for today: we are going to drop Anaya off to school, go get this apartment situated, and then I need to clean up the house because it's a hot mess. So that's pretty much the agenda for today. I don't think I need to do anything else. But other than that, yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Hunter says good morning. All right, so we dropped off Anaya at school. Now it's just me and Hunter. We're going to go get some coffee and probably take a little walk downtown. The coffee place that I'm going to is already going to be downtown, so we're just going to go do that. And then, like I said, later we have to go see this apartment. So I might stop at my dad's for a little bit to hang out with them before I go because they live over here as well. So anyways, yeah, that's the plan. Just me and Hunter. And we're just going to try to have a good day. We're going to have a good day. It's going to be a great day. Good way. We're done with our walk. Got our coffee. Per usual. And then now I'm going to head home and make some breakfast. I was going to stop and get a smoothie bowl or whatever they're called, like an acai bowl. But I'm like, every time I get one, I never eat all of it. And I have food at home. So save money, live better, Walmart, you know? Anyways, yep, that's what we're doing. We're going home. I'm about to go home and clean up a little bit until I have to like leave for my appointment. It's 9:15. So I have a little bit, like about an hour. Yeah, until I have to leave. So that's what we're going to go do.
Who goes to HBCU? Drop the deets and I'm on my way. I love seeing y'all happy. There's nothing better than that. Thank
Update. I just left my dad's. Me and my sister went to Meijer to grab just a little bit of groceries. I just grabbed some grapes, some orange juice, a Celsius, and then I also grabbed some yogurt for Anaya. Plans for right now, we are headed to the bank so I can get some cash out because I want to try this cash stuffing method. I used to do it a while ago, but I kind of stopped, so I want to get back into it and start cash stuffing again. And then I have to go to Trader Joe's so I can grab some more quinoa because I'm going to meal prep because I only have one meal prep container left for tonight. So I'm doing chicken, quinoa, and then Parmesan garlic green beans. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have to pick up Anaya until 5:30, and it is 2:58 right now, so we have a little bit of time to do what I gotta do. No problem, my problem, my problem, your problem. We got our monies. Now we can go to Trader Joe's. We are back home finally after a long day, you guys. I left this morning at, what time did we leave? Like 8 to go drop Anaya off, and it is 4:07 and I have not been back home. Let's do a Trader Joe's haul because I definitely grabbed more than just my quinoa. So flowers, if you know, you know, Trader Joe's is probably the best place to go if you want flowers that are beautiful, they look nice, and they usually last me about a while. And these were $10, so just think about that. $10, come on now. Okay. Anyway, I also got some pink ones because I'm going to mix them and make like a bouquet of flowers. So I thought those two colors would be really cute together. And then I got my quinoa. This is the quinoa that I use. I use the tricolor one. I just bought this once and then I just kept using it. So we got that. I also got some oat milk creamer. This is the brown sugar one. And I've had this once before, but I kind of wanted to try it again to see how I like it. So we got that. And then you guys, I've been trying to find these ever since I heard about these come out. I've been trying to find them. And I finally found them. These are the seasoned corn ribs. I don't know if you guys have had these before. Let me know if you guys have tried these. But yeah, we got those as well. And then that is it for our little Trader Joe's haul. We didn't do too bad. We spent like $30 in there. So I'm going to just like mark everything down and start to do my, what is it called? My budget stuff. So I have my little book here. And then I also have my little cards. So this one says beauty, and I have like my $2 bills in here. I have a lot of like $2 bills, and then utilities, groceries, gas, spending, and car payment, which I probably won't take it out for car payment because I usually just pay my car payment online. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing my little cash stuffing, and then I have also another little booklet here, and this one's for Anaya, rent, which I probably won't even take out, utilities, gas, savings, vacay, and then personal. So yeah, I'm gonna start going over my cash stuffing stuff and then kind of get my laundry going because I'm still doing laundry. And I will talk to you guys a little bit later.